Anthropic just ran 30 talks across 2 days in London. I watched every single one. Here's every talk, what it's about, who gave it, and the one thing you need to know in under 10 minutes. Talk 1, the opening keynote. Angela Jiang, Boris Cherny, Cat Wu, Katelyn Lesse, and Lisa Crofoot. The entire product leadership on one stage. 5 announcements. 1. Claude Code, desktop app with full screen GUI plus mobile on iOS and Android. 2. Routines, scheduled, webhook triggered agents that run while you sleep. 3. Autofix, that patches your PRs, handles CI failures, and resolves merge conflicts automatically. 4. Self hosted sandboxes. So, enterprise runs agents on their own infrastructure through Vercel, Cloudflare, Daytona, and Modal. 5. MCP tunnels that let agents securely access internal systems behind firewalls. The thesis: the distance between idea and running software just collapsed. Talk 2. What's new in Cloud Code? Ralph Ramos. The full product update, code review agents, cloud security with overnight vulnerability scanning, everything shipping across CLI, desktop, and mobile. Talk 7. Beyond the basics with Cloud Code. Daisy Hallman, the sleeper hit. Hard truth: context windows are constrained and will stay that way. The real challenge is choosing the right information. Her advice: use hooks as red squigglies for agents. Corrections injected exactly when mistakes happen. And stop bloating your Claude MD files. Talk 8. How to get to production faster with managed agents. Michael Cohen and Harrison Stall. Self hosted sandboxes, MCP tunnels, the full infrastructure layer that makes agents enterprise ready. Talk 9. From 1 to 80, scaling at monday.com. Gabriel Grinberg and Yoav Orlev. Monday.com grew from 1 engineer to 80 while running Claude Code across the entire org. What breaks at scale, what holds, and how they restructured code review when throughput tripled. Talk 4. Picking the right model. Lucas Smedley. 8 frontier models shipped in 12 months. When to use Haiku for speed, Sonnet for balance, Opus for reasoning. The advisor strategy: frontier quality at 5 times lower cost. Talk 6. Designing with Claude. From prompt to production. Dan Carey. Taking a Claude prompt from rough prototype to a reliable production system. Talk 3. Memory and dreaming for self-learning agents. Ravi Trivedi. Dreaming is the new primitive. Agents recall previous sessions, learn from past work, and build on prior context. This is how agents stop being stateless and start being teammates. Talk 5. Coding is no longer the constraint. Niklas Gustafsson from Spotify. When code generation isn't the bottleneck, review, verification, and coordination become your new constraints. That's day 1. 9 talks from Anthropic's main stage. Day 2 was the extended conference. 21 community talks from real builders. Here's everyone. Talk 12. How I built an AI road appraisal tool. Philip Kayun Kazibwe. Solo builder. Full road infrastructure appraisal from surveying data to automated reports. Talk 21. I built an entire music tech company with Claude. Asif Bagja Priyandana. Product, backend, go to market. Claude was his only engineering resource. Talk 27. From idea to income. An AI murder mystery game business. Michael Velahan, game design to customer acquisition. A solo founder revenue story. Talk 29. Running every layer of two businesses with Claude Code. Kevin Collins. Operations, development, marketing, finances, all through Claude. Talk 11. Teaching agents to learn from your team. Petra Donka. Making agents absorb your team's conventions and judgment, not just follow instructions. Talk 19. Agents that remember. Kevin Chen. Persistent state that survives across sessions. Talk 23. Tool, skill, or subagent. Will Stoke. When your agent outgrows its prompt. His framework for when each architecture decision makes sense. Talk 24. Self improving prompts at MetaView. Nick Mayhew. Prompts that improve themselves through feedback loops. Talk 25. Trustworthy agentic workflows with a custom DSL. James Brady. A domain specific language that enforces what agents can and can't do, making output auditable. Talk 26. Fighting financial crime with Claude Cowork. Stefano Amorelli. Agents analyzing transaction patterns and supporting compliance in real time. Talk 30. Where code meets code. Ollie Cobb. AI generated code in regulated industries. Liability, compliance, and the emerging legal frameworks. Talk 18. How AirOps chases friction. Dylan Hong. Find where users hit walls. Deploy Claude. Eliminate friction. Repeat. Talk 17. Building agentic analytics. Chris Merrick. Data pipeline. Claude reasoning. And a dashboard that updates itself. Talk 15. When code is a commodity. Jacob Langvad Nilsson. If anyone can generate code, what actually matters? Taste, speed to market, and domain expertise become the moat. Talk 14. Personality goes a long way. Max Staten Brown. Agent personality is not fluff. Character shapes behavior. Tone drives trust. Voice makes agents reliable. Talk 20. Evals for taste. Jiri De Jonghe. Hill climbing a subjective quality agent. You need evals for taste, not just accuracy. And rounding out day 2, Talk 10. Boris Cherny opened the community session. Talk 13. Arnaud Doko ran a How We Claude Code workshop. Talk 16. Isabella, he shipped a managed agent live. Talk 22. Olivier Legris gave Claude Code eyes with a video intelligence pipeline. And Talk 28. Ben Lehrberger ran Agent Battle. Teams competing to mine the most diamonds with Claude agents in 45 minutes. 30 talks, 2 days, London. The full playlist is linked in the description. Comment London below, and I'll send you the complete cheat sheet. Every talk, every speaker, the one takeaway from each. Bite size AI drops on Instagram. Deep dives here on YouTube. Subscribe. The next one is already in production.